Ready to unlock unforgettable adventures in Canada by booking your dream Airbnb. First, head to the Airbnb website or open the app in the search bar. Type in your destination within Canada, like Banff National Park or Quebec City. Next, select your check-in and check-out dates, and specify the number of guests. Now, let's refine your search. Use the filters to narrow down your options. Set your price range. Choose the type of place you're looking for: entire home, private room, or shared room, and select amenities like Wi-Fi, kitchen, or parking. Take your time browsing the listings. Carefully review the photos, read the descriptions, and most importantly, check the guest reviews. Pay attention to comments about cleanliness, location, and the host's communication. Once you've found the perfect place, click book. Review the price breakdown, including the nightly rate, cleaning fee, and service fee. Then, carefully read the cancellation policy. It's crucial to understand the terms. Fill in your payment information and click confirm booking. After that, you'll receive a confirmation email with all the details of your stay. Don't forget to contact your host to introduce yourself and ask any questions you may have about your trip. Remember to familiarize yourself with any local travel advisories or regulations before you go. Now you're all set for an amazing Airbnb experience in Canada.